scratch card video. Let's see what we can do. We got top dog and 50 million cash showdown because that's all that I have today. No. How could you? 3. Oh my God. That's weird. I had 3 of them in just a week. Top dog loaded with bones and stuff. I've had 3 dogs foods in literally a week. That is madness. That is really good. Share the videos as well. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Nice one. Right, on to the next ones. Come on. No, nothing. Yeah. Nothing. Well, no. Yeah, no again. Well, $27 and $9 we're looking for, but I don't moan because we got back something really good again. Can we get a win on the last bit? No, we can't. Right. Good luck. 5 of this and then we're good. And we are good. Guys, I really am sorry, but this is all I've got. I'm not doing cards till Saturday or next week, so it's literally all I've got. So, yeah. If we don't win on this card, then we're alright. 28 and 13 we're looking for. That's close. Right, nope. No. But we did get a 10. Again, like, what's happening? That's like, how much of this we got? £35 cash up. And what I've got downstairs. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, comment below. We'll have more videos updated. And we'll see you in the next video later on. And potential on Saturday, we might have some cards as well. But I'm not too sure. It's a very expensive hobby to do. But if you guys subscribe and leave a like, it really will help the channel. We'll see you in the next video later. But for now, goodbye and good luck to everyone. Bye everyone.